The second UX Design New Talent Award in autumn 2023 goes to Theresa Werner for her project Dia Plus. Dia Plus enables the safe and intuitive therapy of type 1 diabetes in children. The Dia Plus kit contains all essential therapy devices for everyday use and immediate help in emergencies. In the Dia Plus app, all therapy values, blood glucose values, insulin doses, are continuously analyzed and visualized. In addition, alarms and step-by-step instructions for treatment are provided. In this way, people are supported and encouraged to be in charge of therapy management for children with type 1 diabetes.
Dia Plus offers a considerate solution to a tricky problem. The medicine kit facilitates cooperative care for children with type 1 diabetes. The interaction of all components is convincing. Sensor and medication dispensers are very well integrated via the app, and caregivers have a clear guidance in all situations. In addition, the hardware kit and app are designed with mastery and convince with a high level of detail.